Raindrops, raindrops falling down, splishing, splashing all around. Pitter patter on the ground, hear that lovely rainy sound. The clouds are gray, the sky is bright, raindrops dance in pure delight. The flowers sip, the trees all sway, as rain turns night into day. Splish splash in the puddles we play, jumping up high come what may. Raindrops giggle, raindrops sing, bringing joy to everything. The grass is green, the air so cool, raindrops fill the rivers and pool. The frogs croak loud, the ducks say quack, as rain comes down we never lack. Little boats in puddles float, paper sails on every moat. The wind whispers through the trees, as raindrops dance with the breeze. Splish splash in the puddles we play, jumping up high come what may. Raindrops giggle, raindrops sing, bringing joy to everything. Put on your boots, your coat and your hat, the rain is fun, imagine that. We run and laugh, we twirl around in the rain, there's joy to be found. Look at the rainbow, what a sight, colors shiny, oh so bright. Red and yellow, green and blue, a rainy day brings magic too. Splish splash in the puddles we play, jumping up high come what may. Raindrops giggle, raindrops sing, bringing joy to everything. So when the rain begins to fall, don't hide away, come one, come all. Splash and laugh, it's fun you'll see, raindrops bring the best of glee. Like and subscribe, Haider Kids.